Hi there, this is Giuseppe here on Giuseppe Welding Store. I'm going to process another door, and I'll show you quickly. This type of door is with a mesh. See, this is the mesh door. Frame, there is no a lot of specification. It's not that hard to make this. It's very easy. This is the hinges. What I would like to share with you, the way I weld the hinges. This is another door already done. How you can see the hinges, they look all the same. I'm talking about for the welder. I'm going to do the same things on the other door. Now we see, I sit you here. Right, here we go. Now obviously I will clean up all the splatter you see around there. I'm telling you, once you can weld like this, they are going to be painted, they really looks really pretty. Clean and nice, good looking. Because like I just said, when you weld the hinges must be neatly and clean because they are going to be seen all the times. Anyway, this is it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.